Obviously, there is training for accessibility and there are other courses on website accessibility. But what I anticipate will make website owners so excited about the ADA compliance course is I created it to be an SOP or step by step instructions that you can give to your team and tell them to get started. And that's something that I know that so many people are looking for. And what's beautiful is that it's not about learning website accessibility, although your team will learn as they go. But it's difficult to learn all about website accessibility. There's so much to learn. But this course focuses your team on learning through experience and action. So as your team is learning about accessibility and picking up the concepts, they are going to be finding accessibility issues and remediating those accessibility issues. And obviously, they're not fully trained on accessibility. And this course doesn't purport to be all encompassing, but that's also a selling point because when something is all encompassing, it's going to take a significant amount of time. It's going to have to be unpacked, and you need to take action right now because if your website has accessibility issues, of course, it's at risk of litigation, and we want to eliminate that risk wherever possible. And so, with the ADA compliance course being the SOP that it is, your team can start to work from it immediately. This is something that you can give to your team right now, tell them to go, and that's it. And they can start going, and you can see their level of progress through the course or check how much work they've done. And it's there. I've designed this to be the perfect answer to ADA website litigation. Of course, you are going to dramatically improve the accessibility of your website. You are going to eliminate barriers to access, but you are also going to significantly lower your risk of litigation.